435. What's this, guys? Just saw a jump jet.
Stay alert. Enemy heavy spotted. Eyes open. Enemy heavy.
Took him out.
Oh, fucking prox mine, you fucking trash cunt. Ah! Just fucking ran through like 5 guys and then get killed by a prox mine. Like, feels bad, man. I'm going maximum dent down the bottom. If you want to support me, Death.
I'm coming in.
I'm pushing, follow me.
Spotted a hostile match. One enemy soldier.
Pull your weight out there. We're losing it.
Oh
I
my.
had to get you in time.
I'm like half in.
Enemy engineer in the
Yeah.
air. Spotted a hostile man.
Visual on hostile engineer. Enemy small.
I killed their router. Killed the router, push.
Two on this.
Stay alert. Enemy heavy nearby.
I'm a god, dude. I'm a maximum god.
Enemy medic in the area.
This guy is the three master. Have you ever solo saved 2 bases at the same time?
Yeah, dude, with my 2 fucking cocks.
Eyes open. Enemy heavy
No.
ammunition.
I'm talking about Cloaker Infiltrator. Sneak one of the bases.
Enemy heavy
Yeah,
spotted.
save it
Fucking
with the point.
baddies, dude.
Yeah, and just save both of them at the same exact time.
Oh no.
The troll picks are real.
Omega low. There's a lot of fucking maxes.
Eyes open. Enemy heavy. I need
I hate when people steal my kill on maxes, because then I don't get my health back.
I'm an engineer. I'll repair you. Just saw it. Enemy medic.
Oh, whoever C4'd that saved my life. They killed the guy killing me.
Hostile engineer.
So they lost me.
Enemy flash in the area.
Did you just hear that death?
I'll repair you.
No.
What was that, dude?
ID on an enemy flash.
I can heal you. I'll start repairs. Hostile liberator spotted.
Coming up too. I'm at number 32.
Liberated Indar.
Damn.
I'm coming up there, bro. And I haven't played in that long.
Ooh, we got Nanite, we got fucking Nation's Defiance fight.
Oh, I'm on my fucking way. Trying to break 100 kills on a leaderboard again. I'm on the way. This is the fight you'll always see me at, no matter what day it is or what alert is
Locate
going
an
on.
enemy spawn point.
I will be here.